To access your PayPal transaction history, you can use either a web browser or the mobile app. Both methods provide full access to your transaction data. Once logged in, navigate to the Activity or Transactions section. This is where all your transaction history is displayed and can be managed. PayPal provides comprehensive filtering options to help you find specific transactions quickly. You can filter by date range, transaction type, status, amount, currency, and payment method. Date range filtering allows you to view transactions from specific time periods. You can choose from preset options like last 30 days, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or set custom dates. Transaction type filtering helps you focus on specific activities like payments sent, payments received, refunds, withdrawals, or deposits. Status filtering shows completed, pending, canceled, or disputed transactions. Additional filtering options include amount range for finding transactions within specific dollar amounts, currency selection for international accounts, and payment method filtering to see transactions by credit card, bank account, PayPal balance, or cryptocurrency. With these filtering options, you can quickly locate any transaction in your PayPal history. The combination of date ranges, transaction types, status filters, and payment methods makes it easy to organize and review your financial activity. PayPal provides powerful search and download capabilities to help you manage your transaction history effectively. You can search for specific transactions using multiple methods. Search by keywords in transaction descriptions, exact transaction IDs, merchant or recipient names, email addresses, or reference numbers like invoice numbers. The download process is straightforward. First, select your desired date range and apply any necessary filters. Then choose your preferred download format. Finally, download and save the file to your device. PayPal offers multiple download formats to suit different needs. CSV files work well with spreadsheet applications. PDF format is ideal for record keeping and documentation. Excel format provides direct compatibility with Microsoft Excel. QuickBooks format is optimized for accounting software integration. PayPal maintains up to 7 years of transaction history for your records. Each download can include a maximum of 3,000 transactions with a file size limit of 50 megabytes per export. These limits ensure optimal performance while providing comprehensive access to your financial data.